Introducing the sleek and stylish 2021 Volkswagen T-Cross Style 1.0 TSI with 110 HP. This grey beauty is packed with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth phone. Safety and security features include ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. With an interior designed for luxury and security features like privacy glass and roof rails, this vehicle has it all. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty, full health and safety check, and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.